Hi, I'm Mom and I welcome you all to MomDas Life Handmade. Today I'm participating in the seasonal challenge called Spring DIY and Decor Challenge being hosted by Christina from the DIY Mommy. Please check out her channel if you are new. That's just not possible, I guess. But I'll put link to Christina's channel in the description box below of my video along with the playlist that she has created for more inspirations on DIY and decor crafts. Today I'm going to share with you a number of crafts. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 4 or 5 crafts with you, and these are very easy and cute crafts. You can perfect for the spring and you can do it in your home with your family members, small and big. Everybody can enjoy these crafts and you need not go out to get the supplies. Best part. And they're perfect for the springtime now. It's a global situation that we all are facing. My kids are at home. Many of your kids are at home. It's the time to do social distancing and stay at home and utilize the time in positive way, constructively. I'll take a moment to stress that it's so important to maintain the social distancing, stay together inside your home, don't mingle much outside, don't go to crowded places. If you need to go out to crowded places, be careful, wear a face mask if possible. I recently made a face mask using fabric and this can be washed and reused again. I'll put a card link above as well as in the description box below if you want to check that video and make your own face mask so that you have supply of face masks for everybody in the family. I also want to stress upon the importance of washing hands with soap and water very frequently. That does help. My today's crafts are very easy. They vary from basic zero skill level and you can extend it, you can make it elaborate and intricate to any skills. So I have crafts not only for little hands, for the bigger hands also, and I don't want any one of you to have to go to any craft store or anywhere to get craft supply for these. You have all the materials required at home and most of them are trash that are there in the home. So you can make these crafts if you want to recreate them and you can make them in any style that you like. My channel is all about DIY, decor, recipe, sound, bit of travel, everything related to home and that too within budget. And if you like the content of my channel and are new here, I would really appreciate if you would subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button given below the video and do hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time I post my video. My today's DIYs are so easy that I'm not going to talk much anymore. But if you have any queries regarding any of the DIYs, please feel free to ask me in the comment section below. I would love to answer to your comments. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, share this video and do subscribe to my channel if you're new here. And I thank you all for watching this video. Enjoy the DIYs. Now I also have got these egg shells. Now you can use egg ornaments if that's easy for you, but this is absolutely free and you have them at home. These are basically natural eggs. This is the narrow top end and this is the broader side of the egg. I take a whole egg, tap it with the back side of the spoon and pick up the small bits and then pour down the contents neatly and wash it clearly, wash it well with water and little soap and dry it. And I have this lots of eggs for decor purpose. This is how I get these eggs for decor for Easter. And then I don't mind if I have to toss them away or if they break, I can always have another one. And my kids really love doing painting over these eggs. It is almost therapeutic, magical, so peaceful to watch your kids happily engrossed in some kind of activity. These are the eggs painted by my kids this year and some of the eggs that we made this year and last year. Aren't they cute? The lovely colors. La 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 la, E-I-E-I-O. Any bright color paper, 2 inches by 3 inches in size, scissors and some colors. Fold the paper into half along the length. Spread some grains and then see the magic. I've already started to feel like Mama Hen with the eggs under her wings in her nest. Our family of two with two eggs.